nice view, Westinghouse. This used to be apartments, and then I guess it got converted to a hotel. That's an interesting conversion. Interesting. Oh, that's funny. Look at how they make the elevator door the same as the door to the stairs. Also, that is very weird how there's a key reader on the upper exit stairs. Why would you need to scan into that? What? Look at this. Looks like a restaurant of sorts. I think this used to be a senior care center. And that must have been like a meeting room, because I remember when I came here, this is very new. When I came in here, I remember I passed this building years ago and I just ignored it because it was a senior center and it had a desk and all that, so. Oh, look, there's the other elevator. That's the exact same though. All right, let's quickly make our way back. Also, look at that. Interesting loudspeakers. It's a square one. I've seen ones that stick out the wall like that, but they're usually round. This modernization definitely predates the hotel. This is probably done back when I'm sure this mod was done back when this was a senior center. Westinghouse. B? VR? Oh, you can go to both. Cool. Definitely got an older cab. The top is rounded and it's got the tray lights. I like that design. But this wall, the paneling on the wall, this laminate they added, I do not think that is original. Look at that. It's an old drinking fountain. What is that? This must be like an old employee lounge. That is interesting. Anyway, that will be all.